A submarine that set out to see the wreckage of the Titanic ship has gone missing. The submarine, which carried 5 people and had tickets priced at $250,000 each, was still being sought for rescue efforts at the time of preparing this video. The submarine, carrying a team that departed from Canada's Newfoundland Island, lost communication with the surface after diving for 1 hour and 45 minutes last Sunday. Following this incident, a rescue operation was initiated by the U.S. Coast Guard and ships from Canada. Special microphones are being deployed underwater, listening to the depths of the sea during this operation. Some of these microphones, attached to buoys, passively listen, while others actively send out sonar signals or pings to locate and position objects beneath the sea by analyzing their riffle. This website shows the real-time location of the surface vessel, polar prints, which transported the submarine, as well as the positions of other surrounding ships. You can monitor detailed information about the ship and its movements from there. According to OceanGate's website, the company that manufactured the submarine but has yet to provide any updates on this incident. The vehicle is used for field research and examination, data collection, film and media production, and deep-sea testing of hardware and software. This 6.7-meter-long submarine named Titan, equipped with a small round viewing window, is attempting to descend to the wreckage of the Titanic at a depth of 3,800 meters. It is believed that there is enough oxygen inside the submarine to last for a maximum of 96 hours or for days. Hence, oxygen levels are likely to have significantly decreased. By the time this video is released, it is estimated that the oxygen supply will be depleted by Thursday noon. Titan's carbon fiber hull connects to domes made of composite titanium, a material capable of withstanding deep-sea pressures. It is subjected to pressures approximately 380 times greater than the atmospheric pressure we are accustomed to on the Earth's surface, at a depth of 3,800 meters below sea level. Scanning an area of 20,000 square kilometers is not an easy task. Hopefully, they have started utilizing techniques such as the Bayes theorem. The Bayes theorem is a probability theorem used for making statistical inferences. Just last month, I made a video that included a treasure hunter finding underwater treasures using this theorem in search and rescue operations. The Bayes theorem can be used to make better predictions about specific events or situations. It is believed that the following individuals are inside the submarine: 48-year-old Pakistani-born British businessman Shahzad Dawood and his 19-year-old son Suleiman, 58-year-old British billionaire Hamish Harding, 77-year-old French diver Paul-Henri Nargeolet, and the CEO of the submarine manufacturing company, 61-year-old Stockton Rush. During the submarine specifications presentation last year, Stockton Rush, the latter name mentioned that there is only one button inside the submarine. It looks similar to the material used in elevators. More interestingly, he demonstrated that they use an ordinary video game console controller to operate the submarine, saying, "If you push it forward, it goes forward. If you pull it back, it goes backward." It is difficult for people to understand the purpose behind proudly presenting the features of such a vehicle, which is priced at $250,000. During the search and rescue operations to find the submarine named Titan in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, it is said that some sounds were detected by the sonar buoys. According to information provided by U.S. officials, these sounds were heard for approximately 4 hours on Tuesday, with half-hour intervals, without detailed data. It is not possible to speak conclusively about the source of these sounds, but it is possible that they were short, sharp, relatively high-frequency sounds caused by a hard object hitting the tip of the submarine. An expert from the Australian Marine Institute states that since these sounds are emitted at regular intervals of 30 minutes, the probability of them coming from a source other than humans is very low. It is speculated that these sounds might have been produced following the advice of the elderly diver inside the submarine and with the expectation that they could be detected by sonars. However, some other experts mention that similar sounds were heard during the search for lost planes at sea in the past, but they proved ineffective. Additionally, these sounds could also originate from the wreckage of the Titanic. So, what could have possibly happened in the depths of the ocean below?